Welcome to SiteBento. In this guide, we'll be using the Add New Article and Edit Existing Article functions of your Joomla-powered website. We will first select a sample website to show you these functions. In this case, we are choosing to use Retro Home Miami, exceptional historic properties. As with any website, it is important that you first log in as an editor or as an administrator. Upon logging in, a float menu will be displayed with all sorts of administrative functions. In this website, we have a lot of real estate related functions because this is a real estate website, as well as core functions such as submitting new articles or editing your account details. To submit a new article, you simply select the choice and instantly you should see what you see is what you get editor. It allows you to type content, specify a title, as well as, and perhaps most important, edit publishing functions. One of the most critical steps when adding new articles is for you to go in and choose the right section and the right category for the article, as that will determine how it will appear. The specifics of this are laid out in your navigation structure and have been discussed with your account representative. All websites follow the same basic theory, but not always exactly the same functionality. In this case, we will choose not to publish this article because we are working with a live website. You can also edit metadata information. However, your SiteBento solution includes all sorts of features that automatically assign correct meta information to your sites, so generally you don't even have to worry about this. We have algorithms running in the background that create the necessary keywords and descriptions. However, should you choose to, it's actually very useful if you're going to use related article functions, as they generally rely on keywords. After you complete your entire new article entry, just hit save and it's automatically inserted. We are taken to the main page here, and that particular article we've inserted didn't go to anywhere specific as that is not on the menu. We can still navigate to it by using the browse site function, which we generally incorporate in all navigation structures. The reason it appears in blue is because it's not published. Orange articles are published, blue are not. We're going to edit this article now. We simply hit the edit button that you just saw there, and the same what you see is what you get editor is opened up. We can change the publishing information, add new content. We can also include new images, which is discussed in a separate guide. Upon finishing all of your edits, just simply hit save. The same is true for basically any article that's on a website. For example, if we go to the About Us section and hit the edit button that's now visible, and mind you, it's only visible to administrators and publishing editors, we can click and instantly we're given the what you see is what you get editor. Lastly, there's an administrative component that is accessed by your account managers and perhaps by you, depending on your arrangement. For the administrative component, we get a little bit more control over all of the articles as well as all of the other content in the website. The article manager allows us to see everything that's been entered in, sorted using various fields, especially if there's a lot of articles. That's particularly handy. See log status. As you can see, some of these have been opened and they were not edited properly, which means they were closed off before someone finished hitting the save button. They're currently locked. We can release them later. The same articles that we were editing a moment ago are available to us as well, with additional information parameters that are used for controlling various functions of the actual Joomla system. And this concludes our SiteBento presentation.